Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Nani yazi bafethu? Angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no.
Ishapha fethu kunjani igama Remington mfoka siwela mswati lo mnanzi football fusion sibuyile with another one. Yewabo. Sibanga.
Yeah, in today's episode bafethu, let's look at something that we've been seeing through the years.
Thuke.
First nje Mamelodi Sundowns ukuhlala kwayo on top of the table. Some they say they won't drop ever since. In fact, make bahlala phezulu, they don't drop. We've seen that. That's a trend that we've been seeing over the years. Well, yeah. So it's that, and a couple of things to touch on as well. Abanye bangene ngembobo yenaliti to the next round of CAF, while others they are cruising nicely.
Playing useless teams.
You don't choose your opponent.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's start with Mamelodi Sundowns.
Mamelodi Sundowns sitting on top of the log.
Yeah, man.
No, but I don't want to say it was expected or anticipated, because it was not.
Yeah.
So them sitting on number 1 with 10 games, right?
Yeah.
Other teams
more to go.
Yes, there's 20 more to go. But if you look at Orlando Pirates, if they win every game in hand that they have, they will be on top of the log.
But the problem is having game in hands, it puts pressure on you.
Yeah.
Pirates are playing on Tuesday. Yeah, today.
They're playing today. Yeah.
Yeah, they're playing TS Galaxy. Because opponents, it's not easy. The team that we are playing today is actually on top of us. Yes, they have more game. I think one more game over us, but still they are on top.
No, I hear you. I hear you.
So they would want to maintain the position.
Yes, it's fine. But what I'm saying,
easy to say, but
okay. What I'm saying is, Santan being on top for me, I don't think they're gonna be on top until the season is over.
Okay.
I'm not saying who's gonna take the league, but I'm just saying they're on top now.
I'm going to ask you this question again. I asked you on one of the previous episodes.
Yeah.
Who do you think will take the league?
I told you it's still early, my guy.
Oh, so whether you want a trend, so that
not a trend, but let's be honest. This season for me, I feel like it's not that season that you can say from the get-go. No, Santan is winning this league. I'm sure even Santan themselves and fans, they know that it's not like.
Okay, let me make this interesting. I'm saying that we are winning the league.
Who's winning?
We is Orlando Pirates.
Oh, you're winning it. Okay.
I'm just making it interesting for you.
No, it's not interesting.
Prediction.
Okay.
Be wrong on prediction.
Yes. Okay, so let's agree. Let's agree on one thing. Let's agree on one thing. We are saying this league is going to Soweto.
No, I don't want you to say it's going to Soweto.
Anyways, let's do this. Once all the teams are sitting on 10 games or equal games, I'll tell you who's taking the league.
Okay.
Yeah. Fair enough. But for me, like I'm telling you, sometimes it's sitting on top of the log, but I don't see them staying on. They could take it, but I'm saying good battle number 1 doesn't guarantee good battle forever. Meaning Babona Basuka footing number 1.
It's just that this win, there's something special about this win, yes, and down.
Okay.
One, it's the way they played.
Yes.
The positions that we've been crying out about. I think I addressed this in some of the episodes previously, where they play in the middle, because Sundowns will dominate you in the middle. The loss of Ribeiro was massive for them.
Yeah.
So now that they got Nuno Santos, it looks like they are more lethal now. That guy can pinpoint a pass. If you watch highlights, you don't even need to watch the whole game.
Yeah.
The highlights. There was no Mkwena on that game, but still they were solid because they had creativity that they were lacking.
Yeah, so
that's why I'm saying, in as much as you are right with what you are saying, but let's also consider that now they're looking better. They are looking better.
Something is cooking.
Yes.
It's a good signing. That guy, I've seen highlights like you're saying. It's promising. You know, I feel like the Ribeiro impact, they won't miss it much.
Yeah.
Because of that guy. You know. So, but with one guy to say they will take the league, I can't. It's too early.
It's just that fella. It's Sundowns. You know, it's been the same team, and the only player that left,
it's Ribeiro.
And it's a pity Uzwane is still injured. But it's only those two players that I can recall that were playing. They were actively playing Abangeko right now.
So, do you think this Santana will take the league? Besides you being a fan of Orlando Pirates, but generally,
I already told my predictions. I'll be contradicting myself.
No.
Yeah.
Do you see this Santana taking the league?
No.
Because you want to take it?
No, not because I want to. I told you that we are taking the league. So I
we are coming back. We are coming back to
There's
this
nothing wrong with being wrong.
Next year we're coming back to this video.
So I can't contradict myself and say that yes, they can take it, but I'm saying that for me, it's Orlando Pirates that I see taking the league, right?
I think you'll take the league if you can win those games. That will equal to Sundowns. Then I'll say you'll take it. But for now,
the next thing we still have to play them. I think on the 1st of November we're playing them.
Yeah.
So
I played them. I got my 1 point.
Yeah, we shall see.
Yeah, but that guy Nuno, it's a good signing for Sundowns.
Yeah, because we haven't touched. I'm just realizing we haven't touched on Sundowns signings because there weren't many signings. Yeah, there are many factors to Sundowns performing as low.
And the Sundowns, if you check, they didn't even have a preseason type of thing camp because they're playing Club World Cup. Yeah. But I think you're right. Maybe now they slowly coming together, you know.
And you see, coaches even like resting some of the players.
Yeah.
Because quality-wise, I'm not saying that Obas is less.
Quality, yeah.
You know, every time you would start Mkwena, you know. Speaking of Mkwena, moving on to the next one.
We talk about it yesterday.
Yeah. Speaking of Mkwena, hey, what do you make of? Because yesterday, Silala, we slept on a very bad news for South Africa, and we've been touching on such news. I will recall on the one for Cape Town City, where we were advocating that someone should do their job.
They're sleeping on the job.
Yeah, I can see this morning everyone is saying that someone is not doing their job and all that. I'm not saying that we're claiming that, but
we've been saying
you see, it's something that seems to be a trend now, and it's costing us because now we have to win these 2 games. It's a must for us to win them in order for us to qualify.
But you know what I like about with this whole situation?
Yeah.
If you remember, Hugo was saying can entertain us easily, right? Still played Mkwena, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, we performed right. So now we have these 2 games left, which either way we always said we need to win this game, regardless of what FIFA will say.
Yeah.
Then for us to qualify. So now Mkwena have a task. We are heartbroken. He needs to punish these countries.
So you're putting pressure on him now.
Oh, he must give us a long range type of thing. You know he can do that. But yeah, but yeah, to be honest, somebody's sleeping in their job because it can't be. You can't blame coach for calling a player a yellow card. Coach can't keep track of that.
Yeah.
Somebody in Safa House, somebody should keep track of
that type of mistakes. Well, if we're gonna be punished by the global governing body of football now, it just shows how we are careless. Maybe we went away with the one scandal that was here in South Africa with Cape Town City.
Yeah.
But it just showed that we are careless.
Yeah.
Somehow we are careless, and seems to be a trend. Even with the referees, there are a lot of scandals when it comes to football administration in South Africa.
Luckily enough, you're saying the same thing with Achilles, talking about Cape Town Spurs. Today, I think Velebai and Batman, today verdict must come out. So you see, it's too much happening, man.
And the players, shooting below must be on standstill because now
somebody is okay. Every team have a responsibility to have somebody that will tell them the rules.
Yeah.
Because we cannot be going back and forth to say, hey, once a team is relegated, what must happen with the players?
With you, I don't want to create any scandal or any bad talking about us. But yeah, to be honest with you, the administration that we've been having over the years, now we can see that we have a good coach. And you coach Kahle was a small what he is good. He had to stand tall on us. Like he had to be hard.
He made decisions that we didn't like.
Yes.
But they worked.
Unfashionable decisions. And they work. Now we see where we stand.
Yes.
So to be honest, I feel like as South Africans we should fire this even starting from the president. Yes.
Starting from the structure.
To be honest with you. Because president it's not make sure, Shem. I don't want to get into details, but he's not make sure. He over the years, it's more like political to him more than football. Whereas in football, just know one thing. I always say this: football is not like a politics to us as fans. To us, if I support a certain team, I will stand with that team until I die.
Yes.
So you can't then mesmerize our feelings. So that one must be sorted, Chef. I won't lie to you. Yeah, man. Moving on to the last one.
Which is
okay, it's not the last one. Let's touch on the CAF. Maybe 1 minute of the CAF.
Okay. We'll pass it
because you won this weekend.
Hey, I think looking at
what
that game, looking at that game, Kaizer Chiefs, right? At that game, the mindset of the players changed.
Yeah,
it was nice to see that, and I think some will always blame Mumthetho in a lot of things, but in that game, it was solid for me.
Yeah, even in the previous one.
Yes, but now the problem with these players, man, with how do they lose that momentum? Next game, Kaizer Chiefs can play something we don't understand. They can disappoint you, those guys. Look, what happened?
No, let's see. How long will the message? Yeah, Oscar Bo last.
But if you look first half, I could tell watching. Okay, we're gonna score here.
Yeah.
Second half, yes, we were trying, but I felt like we wanted at some point we wanted to keep that 1-0 score. Then saying, guys, remember, it's more like it's not.
Yeah, it's more like playing home.
Yes, remember, guys, 0-0 now. Let's start the game from scratch.
Yeah.
So I don't know why these guys lose that thing. But overall, I think they improve compared to the other game.
Yeah.
They improve. So we're hoping when they go play Mazulu, they will show us something different
tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah.
Another thing, while we're still on Kaizer Chiefs, I'm not sure if you saw the news that your coach is not really going anywhere.
Yeah,
he wants more money. Those are rumors because it's not confirmed as yet.
I don't think it's about money.
So do you still believe in the coach?
No, coach, I do believe in Nabi.
Yeah,
I do believe in Nabi because everything that has been cooked, Nabi was always firm, more like Hugo was.
Okay.
So our management in Kaizer Chiefs having Unab and then Nabi can talk, can say I don't want this, I don't like this, and tell us.
What do you think should be added to improve Kaizer Chiefs?
Currently.
Yeah, currently.
But we can't sign for call because
no. You are talking about something, even if it's not you are not eligible to sign right now because of the window. But what you see as something that will change Kaizer Chiefs, maybe
something that will
better, even
something
better. They
something.
started the season well.
Yes, but it's the attitude of the players change. So it's more like there are bigger problems that we don't know.
Yeah.
Meaning, as a player, if I was a player, if I'm performing good, why would I want to lose that? Why would my attitude will change?
Okay, so when you think they should fix their attitude, then it should be fine.
Okay, right now, Kaizer Chiefs I'm playing load as much as management, but I can't speak about management because it's Team Sekai. It's Team Sekai. You can't say fire who and hire who. Team Sekai, it's fine. But the players' attitudes themselves, oh, sometimes it can be. Look at Frost. Frost that Moyane is injured. You came in, you are given an opportunity to play. But you don't raise your hand. You know what? Solomon's played. Now Solomon is another problem now. He played well now. Give him the next game. Oh, like, can't you watch? What are you doing now? Why you can't do what you did in previous game, guy?
So when are you saying consistent?
Exactly.
That's all.
They need to be consistent. About the way we started the season, where did you drop the ball, guy? I always spoke about Nkosing Pile. Which game we played, Nkosing Pile, Akona as Leo. It doesn't happen. Because only playing you don't find.
Yeah, but Nkosing Pile I find
exactly. But by miles of no play, man, you coach foot. It's another thing. Because which means you will say fire the coach, but you can't keep on firing coaches.
Then problem is not with the coach.
No. Maybe now because in play mhlawumbe attitude yakhe nayo ejimini. Phela i-starting lineup uselect based on ejimini.
No. I get your coach. They also have players that they trust.
Yes.
I won't say favorite, but in actual fact, it's like that.
Okay.
They have players that they trust.
You are correct.
And some they will read them on the games. That's why they trust some.
Correct.
Because that's why who's this guy who you released last season? Your captain, your previous captain.
Umar,
yes. Umar was trusted. It's based on work ethic, depending on to coach what are the attributes that he is looking for on the player.
Okay.
You know? But you as a fan, you can tell me this now. I know very well that you were not happy with him. Yes, he scored on the final, but you were not happy with him throughout the season. But he kept on playing.
It's more like a lot of fans that will play Umtet, but they're still playing.
Yeah.
And he's working hard.
Yeah, he's giving that.
So, as a coach, you need to speak some sense in your players, right? Yes, it's a destroy Umtet, right? We have to destroy my play. It's fine. I pass it back, fine. I pass it back. And then, you're doing good. It's right. If it's not safe, we are back, whatever. But learn to pass forward, Pel. We need to kill and go forward at some point.
Yeah, it depends on
causing period, that's the problem. So my mom was okay, this guy is a good player, right? That's why I call loan. My boss is a good player. Then that's where coaching must happen.
But it depends. If there are two parties in this thing when I that's why I don't want you to generalize it. It depends. If the management believes on a player, a coach can do whatever they want, but that's the treacherous player on the management side. I do believe that because they even gave him a new contract. I do believe that because they can see the quality. You can see quality without having to watch. That's why we were talking about Nuno Santos, right? And and that's it. So in this instance, no Nobo may not be loaned because the coach doesn't show trust on some of the players.
Yeah,
that's what I'm crying out about sometimes. If you don't show trust on some of the players, which the fans like, I'm not saying the fans should decide the scheme would, but those are the things that really kill a player's momentum. Even when they get into the field, they can't perform to their maximum or to their potential. You
Because manje sengidlala based on ukuthi ngifuna impress loyo muntu.
Exactly.
Instead of being myself and enjoy the game and play.
Yeah.
No, I hear you.
Yeah.
So Kaizer Chiefs coaching needs to happen.
Yeah.
And coach needs to play more in these young players.
True.
Yeah.
That's why, Mina, for me, it's not that I wanted to let you talk about your team. Nice. For me, it's beyond just a performance drop and all of that, because that can be managed. It's just, for me, it's in the boardroom. That's from my own view.
That's why I'm saying to you, these problems are bigger than what we see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the coaching, uyabo, ngesizulu bathi ayinuki ngosiwe. So that means that there is something happening. Even
we shall see.
Yeah.
We shall see.
Yeah. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share the video with friends, and all. If